everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. So I have a ton of photos on this. I have 10 photos on this 2-page layout, but it really only took me about 19 minutes to do this. And that includes the time that it took me to pick all the embellishments and everything. I always add that into the time that I'm actually on camera, so that you know what it really does take to put some of these layouts together. But this one went really fast. I think part of it is that there are so many photos here. So I cut most of the photos into 4x4s. There was a lot of, I did crop these, but there was still a lot of extraneous stuff in the background because this is a basketball game for my oldest grandson. That brown cardstock that I'm mounting that on is from Martha Stewart. It's the Vanilla Bean cardstock. Doesn't look, well, I guess a vanilla bean is black. I always think of vanilla as lighter than that, but it's really brown, I mean. But I guess a vanilla bean is brown now that I think about it. So I do have a couple of these going over just a little bit on the edge. So I'm getting those down so I can actually cut them off. Then I'm just going to trim those so that they are not going over the edge of the paper there. So then on the left side, I have 2 pictures of my stepson who coached my grandson's basketball team. And he's talking to the boys about keeping their arms up and protecting the basket, that kind of stuff. You know, they're young here. They're 9. I'm sorry, 8, 9-year-olds, maybe 9, 10-year-olds. But in that, my grandson's 9 in this photo. Anyway, that sports paper that's on that left side there is from Echo Park All Boy. It's the All-Star paper. And it's got lots of sports on there, but basketball is one of them. And I didn't have anything basketball related. He tried playing basketball last winter, and I think he enjoyed it. I don't know if he's going to do it or not again this year, but I like how he likes to try different things. And even though the walls are yellow and all that, sometimes I just ignore the colors in the photographs and just deal with the other things like themes in this particular case. So I have that card, and I used that card on another layout last week. I believe that's the order you're going to see them. So I have that to journal on, and then I have a one step at a time card from Ellie's Studio there. The banner card is a miscellaneous card. It's something I printed a long time ago. I decided though, I like the one step at a time idea because he's coaching them. It's the first year for my grandson to play basketball, but I decided I really wanted to be able to journal, and I didn't really like that one step at a time, that huge piece of orange. So I have that chipboard circle there that says, let's go. That came from the Echo Park All Boy chipboard phrases. And then I have some die cuts here, and they are in that sort of crafty color that appears a lot in the floor. So, and then also obviously in the 3x4 card. So I grabbed, those die cuts are from Echo Park All Boy Frames and Tags, and then the stickers are from the Echo Park All Boy sticker books. That All-Star sticker is from the sticker book. And I decided to take that Let's Go off of the journaling card, and I'm going to now put it on this side in this sort of, I did have one more picture, but it was a pretty close repeat of one of the other pictures here. So I took that out to give myself some breathing room. Sometimes I will do all 9 photos, but in this particular case, I decided to just do a little bit of a breathing room for some embellishment because there's so much going on in these pictures, and that one extra photo, nobody's going to miss. So and I did reposition that Let's Go circle in the All-Star. And then I had this little banner there that said have fun, which of course that's something we all want to remember when the kids are playing. He's at an age where he should be having fun. I added that little sticker that says, "Hello, I'm awesome," because my stepson is awesome. He coached my second grandson's soccer team the fall before, and then also again this spring, and then he's coached the basketball team this winter. I just think that's cool that he's so involved in the boys' sports. He's a stay-at-home dad, so he's very involved in their lives, but even to the sports piece of it, I think that's really cool. He's a great dad. I'm adding in this All-Star you're a star sticker. And I did pull the title of this from just that All-Star. And All-Star, I was thinking about both of them because there's both things that when I look at this, I think about my stepson and him coaching the kids. And he's so good and gentle with them. He's not screaming out on the court. The coach at the other part of this game, I mean, these are 9-year-olds, and he was screaming at them. My stepson was only encouraging them, which that's just who he is as a person. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then the "You Rock" on there. So basically, my messages on the left side are for my stepson. The messages on the right are really for my grandson. And I think the journaling is mostly to my stepson here. So I did add stickers on 4 spots in the right side, just phrase stickers from that sticker book. And now I'm going to add some really bright orange orange stars from the All Too New Warm and Cozy collection here. Just to get a little pop of color, and since there was a lot of star messages, I thought that would be kind of fun to do that. All right, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.